We are riding for 1,000 miles in 24 hours. Yeah, on that. That is an Energica 2021 Eagle Plus Sport with a 21.5 kilowatt hour battery that will hopefully fast charge enough to get us there and back inside the 24 hours.
We're going to roll it exactly, well, maybe not exactly, it shows 1 minute. On the GPS clock, we're going to roll it exactly 3, which is in 3 minutes. Starting odometer 11787. Hopefully it's 12787 in 24 hours.
Well, I have to not die because riding for 24 hours is something that I've never done before. So that's going to be a bitch. Can I cuss in this? Because that's going to be tough. Honestly, I think that may be one of the biggest challenges because just riding on a motorcycle for 24 hours is not easy to do. The bike may be fully capable of going the distance and back and charging fast enough, but mentally fighting the fatigue, fighting the tire, the weather, the conditions may be a bigger challenge than dealing with the bike. Several people have tried to do it on an electric bike. It's hard enough to do it on a gas bike, on a regular ice bike, just because, at a certain point, your body starts to get way more tired than you're used to, or than your normal riding style is accustomed to. So what do we normally do? Maybe 150, 200 miles on a daily group ride or something like that. Maybe 300 miles is the most we've done. The time where we did the Cannonball to Vegas was 250 miles. So we're talking 4 times that. We're talking about going from Ontario Mills to Vegas, back to Ontario, and then doing it all over again to try to get to 1,000 miles. So it's quite a long distance. I think the hardest thing is the body and mentally being able to ride that long.
Beginning of the 1,000 miles.
But I'm still smiling and still awake, right? And just had a big cup of Battle Monkey coffee. So look out. First hour might be wheelies. Wonder how how still we're gone. We're going to roll it exactly, well, maybe not exactly, it shows 1 minute. On the GPS clock, we're going to roll it exactly 3, which is in 3 minutes. Starting odometer 11787. Hopefully it's 12787 in 24 hours.
Pick up sticks and pack your bags, let's go where things grow in the hills in summertime. Under trees and over streams we walk and we talk all our days until the night. Wonder how our lives till we're gone.
So, did you say you're at 78%?
It'll drop faster than normal enough this hill and plus into the wind, but then it's slowing down once we get downhill.
Okay. Yeah, because I was gonna say we're about 80. Oh, hold up. I was gonna say we're about like what 86 miles away from El Centro now.
Yep.
Touching down.
So it's 3:50 p.m. We're still on the way to El Centro. The car is showing about 65 Fahrenheit outside, so it hasn't gotten too cold for Daren just yet. But he is actually, we usually plan about 1% per mile, and we still have about 65 miles to go to El Centro, and he is well below 65%. We still have an hour and 7 minutes to get to El Centro, so we'll see how that goes. It's still going strong otherwise, but hopefully we have enough range to make it there.
And our souls wanna shine, can't you feel it from your head to your toes, my love? And our hearts are beating and our feet, they got a long, long way to go. And our souls wanna shine, can't you feel it from your head to your toes? And I thank the Lord for everything He's done, and I thank my Father for sending us His Son, and I thank that Spirit for helping us be one, helping us be one out there on the run.
What do you think?
Well, the wind was pretty significant, I think, initially. Got here a couple percent lower on battery than planned, but with the wind, I think that was fairly expected. A little bit slow kind of coming through town. So that's going to put us a little bit behind. We'll have to try to make it up, but because we were coming through town and not just doing a quick exit from the freeway, you know, it's going to cost us some time. So ideally a route would be just every station would be right off the freeway. But now we're going to jump on the 8 and head east, so our stop should get a little bit more efficient all the way to the turnaround point. So, and it's about to get cold, so I'm going to put some more layers on.
Yo, what's up? What do you want to do tonight?
I don't know. It's pretty nice out. You want to go for a ride? I was thinking maybe we just head east and go to Yuma. What do you think?
Let's go to Yuma. I'm down.
I just got the bike. Is that cool?
That is fine, actually.
All right.
You gonna have enough range?
Yeah, no problem.
All right.
Why don't you just follow me in the car and then we'll figure it out from there.
I'll do. All right.
Sweet.
Sweet.
Okay, man.
So we made it to El Centro, and we made it with 14% to spare. And we're charging up here at Electrify America at a Bank of America location, and almost ready. About 2% to go, about 1% to go, and we'll hop on the bike. And actually, I'm on the support car right behind me. And we're gonna hop back on the road and keep going. Tucson is the goal, and Tucson should be about 400 miles away now. So we got 400 miles to go, and yeah. Hoping to be back to California tomorrow by what, 2 p.m. 2 or 3 p.m. All right, let's go. Sun is going down, giving El Centro a sunset. Alright, the sun is going down. This is where temperature starts being an issue. We just hopped on the 8. We're now on our way to Yermo, which is actually going to be our first stop in Arizona. Now,
Yuma, baby.
Yermo. And, yep, it's going to be a fun night.
Gonna be a fun night.
Cause it's truth I speak, seek, plead. The blood on my hands, make no mistake. Gonna balance the scales.
All right, the clear?
Yep.
Nope.
I'll block it for you. All right, let's go, 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 go.
Good now?
Yep.
I need little lights on this thing, so you can see the buttons at night.
Yep. Is the cruise control button like right next to the kill switch?
Yeah.
That sucks.
Like, why did you put the cruise control on the right side? That's the dumbest engineering thing I've ever heard of. Like, every other bike I've ever had, all the cruise left side. Here they put it on the right.
So we're now 20 miles away from our charger, and the temperature is still 66 degrees outside. Not that bad, huh?
Hey, you can make a mental note, my battery temperature just went back.
Went back to what?
Good thing. My battery temperature just went back into the green.
Yay!
8 miles to go.
8 miles to go. Made it.
Cross your fingers. Come on, baby.
Is it gonna start? I heard that click. Click is usually a good sign. Good?
Honey. Stop 2. Stop 2. Here we are.
So stop
Arizona,
2 minutes
baby.
to Arizona. What happened to your kill switch?
So, somebody designed it to be right next to the cruise control. So when it's dark out and you have no lights and you're stabbing for it, and if you go a little too low, guess what you hit? You hit the red switch and not the cruise control. So, you know, whatever.
Was that what you
Got
did?
to pull over a little bit. Got to reset the bike. Got to go on our way. I'm bringing a finger light next time. Finger lights are my friend.
How many miles have you written already?
I don't know.
Probably 200? Close to 200?
Probably about 170
Cool.
or so.
All
Want
right.
some food?
Alright everybody, we made it to Arizona, and we're now charging here at a Electrify America station, which is at a Target, and no problems with the bike whatsoever. Had plenty of range. Charging has been just fine, no issues so far. Even though a lot of people complain about Electrify America, we haven't had issues today. Bike activated on both of the stations that we have used so far. So yeah, made it to Arizona. We're going to continue on our way to Tucson and hopefully be able to be back in the San Diego area tomorrow by 3 p.m. So, and yep, let's go. So I'm going to need this to stay up all night. And for the people asking if it's official, yes, it is official. If we end up with 1,000 miles by 3 p.m. tomorrow, it'll be official, and it'll be an official record, I suppose. But something else I wanted to show was, if you're thinking about buying an electric vehicle to save money, that's probably a good thing, because this is one of the most expensive stations out there. And look at that, $2.79 to fill up. I'll take that any day. All right. What percentage are you shooting for now?
69. Oh look, there it is. What other percentage is there? We got 66 miles to go to Dateland. 70% ought to give us enough of a pad. You'll be alright. Hopefully the chargers at Dateland work. There ain't much else there. Alright, we'll see you out there.
So it's 9:11 p.m. and the temperature is 57 Fahrenheit outside. How does it feel?
Daylight this, that'd be cool.
So the gear is working, keeping you warm so far?
Yeah, no, this is fine. Daylight this, that'd probably be great. I'm guessing it won't.
To the charger here, 0.4 miles left. Green glow means life.
Green glow. Green glow is good.
If we don't see the green glow here, we get scared.
We're in trouble.
Oh my god, the green glow. Here we go.
Hello, Electrify America.
Oh my god, it's so bright.
Yeah. 8:33.
You made it. Dateland.
Yeah. Dateland, baby. Where are we? We're at smell that?
Did
Did you smell that?
It smells like shit.
It smells like shit. And we're going to die here.
We are in the middle of nowhere.
Are you sure we're in Mexico? Hey, there's a train.
There's a train. There's a train somewhere over there. Yeah, I don't know.
Guarantee this is the first electric motorcycle ever in Dateland.
So we crossed a border checkpoint.
We did.
That set us back a little bit.
We did, yeah.
But we made it. And I don't know if we're in Mexico or not.
I don't think we are. All right, what's next? Phoenix.
31 cents per kilowatt hour. That's expensive. That's too expensive.
Thank you for choosing. I ain't done yet. Keep charging. There we go.
There we go.
Oh yeah, baby.
2%? No way!
It's
Two-
more than what I pulled in.
2%.
What?
You pulled in at 2%.
What? Why would I need extra? I mean, actually, it was at 1%. Okay,
Oh,
so
yeah.
all the Energica folks, I rolled off the freeway and it went into limp mode.
Oh.
So you guys all know what limp mode is. The minute I got off the freeway and started coasting in here, it went into limp mode. So, and it was showing 1% with 1 mile remaining. What? We're just in the middle of Arizona.
In the middle of the desert?
We're just in the middle of the desert. I mean, who needs 1 extra mile? I mean, come on.
3%.
That's just good planning.
Alright. And it's rolling.
Rob there. So, Gabe, what did we find to do in Dayland on a Monday night? Got you a donut. Hope you like it.
Cheers.
Cheers. Fucking damn good coffee, though. Look at this shit. Can't fucking pronounce it. Arcadia Bay. It's good shit, though. Highly recommended in Dayland. What do you say we rent this place, man? Look, it's for lease.
Absolutely. I mean, if you're passing by, stop in Dayland. Even if you're not passing by, totally worth the trip, right? Totally worth it.
So, again, not a lot going on in Dayland. What do you want to do?
What are our options?
Well, we could go south. That's like Mexico on a Monday night. What do you say? Phoenix isn't too far away.
Let's do it.
Should we shoot for Phoenix?
Phoenix.
There's got to be something going on in Phoenix. If any of you guys are in Phoenix and you know of something going on tonight on a Monday, hit this guy up. Because
We're gonna be there in an hour.
We're going to be there soon. Yeah.
What does the bike say? That's better. 92. Are you wearing anything extra now for the cold?
What's that?
Are you wearing anything extra for the cold?
Yeah, I just put on a hoodie and the baklava for the helmet. Just expecting the temperatures to drop a little bit more as we keep going.
Alright.
So, how about we go to Phoenix?
Let's go to Phoenix.
Let's go.
Alright, so we're gonna give drafting a try on the way to Phoenix. I'm about to pass the bike on the car. And how fast do you want me to set the cruise control to?
Yeah, right now.
I'm at 68.
65 to start with.
Okay. Let me set the autopilot. Hold up. Bring it down to 65. And the autopilot is set.
phase me. Got that energy. I said I'm just being me. I've been sticking to my lane. I'm noticing the shade. They wish
Yeah, so, man, what a nice night. We had some temperatures. The lowest we got so far was 54 degrees. So we just drove through like a nice warm spot. Temperature jumped up to 64 degrees. And it feels really nice out right now. Very noticeable and much appreciated. Because I'm sure it's going to get quite a bit colder here as we keep going east. Right now, coming into Phoenix now at about after 10, almost 11 o'clock at night. 64 degrees feels pretty damn good.
How far are we from Phoenix?
We're 20 miles from our next stop. That's on the west side of town.
let's get crazy. I'm just chilling. It don't
Hello.
faze me. Got that energy. I said I'm just being me. Let's get hectic, let's get crazy. I'm just chilling, it don't faze me. Nothing's stopping me. Got that energy. The energy. I'm being me, I'm being me. The energy. I'm being me, I'm being me.
What's your next stop?
I don't know. Casa Grande. Whatever the hell Casa Grande is. It's another Walmart. Another EA station, another Walmart. Halfway between here and Tucson.
So the support car has all of our equipment, including a DJI Mavic Air 2 drone. Huge battery there to charge our stuff. There's a drone battery being charged right now inside the car, along with our GoPro Hero 9 Black and all the stuff in the back for the camera I'm holding right now, which is a Canon 1DC, a cinema camera. So a little behind the scenes for you guys. Alright, where are we?
I don't know. Casa Grande, baby. What the hell's that? I don't know. Almost to Tucson.
Last stop before Tucson?
Last stop before Tucson.
Woohoo!
What time is it?
3 in the morning. We're on our last leg to Tucson. Another 50 miles. The bike just got done charging. Another 50 miles and we'll be in Tucson. And then we'll be able to turn around, head back to San Diego. And the only problem right now, we're about 10 minutes behind schedule. So we have to find a way to cut those 10 minutes and make it back. So it's gonna take us basically 12 hours and 10 minutes to make it to Tucson. So gotta cut those 10 minutes off. That way when we get back, we're exactly at 24 hours. So we're basically down to the minutes of making this work somehow. Let's see what happens.
So, little did we know,
The
bars close early in Phoenix.
Oh.
But I hear they're open later in Tucson. So, Gabe, what do you think?
Yeah, let's do it.
Should we go to Tucson?
We should go to Tucson.
All right, let's go.
Relax and grab yourself a beverage. Or hop if you wanna just bounce to my leverage. The evidence, as they say, is in the pudding.
What's the difference you see in wattage per mile?
So it's half if I get in a sweet spot. And I don't see anybody around. Like, hey, I wonder if I can slide this door open a little bit. I pry it open enough to walk through it. And I go in and I'm looking around and I'm like, I just want to use the bathroom. I go, I don't see anybody. So I'm just going to kind of walk straight back to the door that I came in. And I closed it behind me. Make sure I broke into a Walmart.
You broke into a Walmart. Wow.
Yeah. Guilty.
Oh shit, I'm all filming you and there's a cop right next to me. What the fuck?
Yeah. Gonna get pulled over. Gonna get a ticket.
I had no hand on the steering wheel whatsoever.
The money like my name was Cuba Gooding. It ain't fool's gold, it's gold, fool. Can't stop, won't stop, keeping it old school. So cool. Big Spoon is my nam's a plume. I keep it popping like a needle in a new balloon. And if you don't know by now, then you need more school.
You made it to Tucson. Alright, what do you have to say?
Oh,
What we got here?
it's cold.
It's cold.
It's cold, but
How cold is it?
oh, I don't know.
I think the car said 41.
That's about 40.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not too bad, really. With the brakes and everything. Other than trying to pull an all-nighter,
Yep.
and it being a little cold, not too bad. You know, the stops help break it up.
Right.
I was hoping that the battery would stay in the green more so we could charge faster, but it's just not. It's last two charges we pulled in and it's been in the yellow. So we're not charging fast enough. But other than that, everything's going well, you know, so.
So now on to turning around and going home?
Yeah,
Let's do it.
yeah, let's do it.
Alright, this is it. It's time to turn around and head home. Let's do it. Woo! The sun went up. We fell asleep in the car. We're still in Casa Grande. Just got done charging. And on our way to Buckeye now. Woo!
Why don't we go to Dayland? we rode all night long and looking for a strip club that was open, and we went all the way to Tucson, and all we could find was some closed outlets.
Oh no.
So Gabe here went shopping, window shopping at the Disney store because he's having withdrawals. And I took a nap while the bike was charging. And
Hey, my drone was up in the air.
the drone's in the air.
My drone was up in the air.
Oh yeah, well, he was sleeping while his drone's up in the air. Good thing that thing felt like now we're recovered. So now we're on our way home.
First of all, where are we?
We are in El Centro, California, at the only fast chargers in the entire city, Electrify America. It's been 24 hours. Odometer on the bike says we went about 820 miles. So good effort today. Feel pretty good about it. Didn't reach the 1,000 like we wanted. Pretty much because we spent too much time charging and not enough time riding. The battery, it's about 80 degrees out here today, but overall throughout the last 24 hours the battery kept getting warm. And as the battery gets warm, it doesn't charge as fast as it can when it's cold. So that slowed us down, caused our charging stops to be longer than we wanted. So we spent more time charging, less time riding, but still got 820 miles in. We're gonna ride it home now. We're fully charged, ready to go. Head back to my house, and we'll have another fun adventure for you next time.
Peace.
'Cause I